it's gonna be an exciting day. You know, I'm back in the groove of doing car reviews, and that way I can give you, the customer, an inside view and an honest opinion on these cars. You know, I'm not a big Hyundai person. Hyundai, Hyundai, however you say it. I'm not a big like Hyundai person. You know, I love Dodge and Dodge Chargers, you know. But, you know, it's also, what might not be good for me might be perfect for y'all. So let's get ready to burn some rubber. Good, y'all already know what it is. I am back, and yes, man, I got my boy Ron over here at Hyundai. We off of Beltway 8 and 59. So if y'all are looking for a Hyundai, man, make sure that y'all come holler at him. All his information will be down in the link below. And man, what are we driving today?
Looking at a 2020 G90, 3.3 twin turbo, rear wheel drive, fully loaded, man. The flagship model for Genesis. And the hottest car that's on the road for $100,000 right now. It's a sick vehicle. It's got every feature that you can imagine, except for a pizza maker.
Oh man, so let's get it, bro. All right, y'all, so right off the rip, what I can say I love about this car is that it is spacious, it's roomy. It looks like I'm driving in a Bentley or a Rolls Royce or something like that, you know? So it has that wood grain, but I think it looks like it, and it feels like actual wood. And Ron just said it is. Also, the dash is off the chain. AC blows cold automatically. You got all your buttons right here. You got the map. You got the navigation, radio. Then your different media setups. It also got a sunroof with some suede interior. Look at that suede interior, man. Man, this is a luxury car. Look how much room I got with my fat feet. USB port, and I'm pretty sure this right here, you can put your cell phone in and it'll charge automatically. Boom, like his phone is right now. And then, heated and cool seats. Heated and cool seats is a must in Texas because it is, oh, that feels good. It is hot. It is very, very hot in Texas. If you've never been to Texas before, imagine being stuck in the desert of Arizona with no water, and it's just hot. All right, so let's take this mode for a drive, man. All right, so off the rip, we're getting on the freeway. This is 59, one of our busiest freeways in Houston. And this car rides so smooth. It's almost like we're riding on air. It's so quiet, you can't hear anything around you. This is the sound with the windows up. This is the sound with the windows down. Oh man, we are moving. And it doesn't even feel like it. It really does feel like you're just floating. We just hit a couple of bumps and my camera didn't even move. That shows how good of the shocks, or is it air shocks? Or
so the wheels are made with a hollow ring in them, and that's to help with the smoothness of the ride, and also with the sound, you know, that you were mentioning earlier, why it's so quiet. And the Genesis is the only wheel that's made like that. There's no other manufacturer that makes a wheel with that hollow cavity in it to allow for the comfort of the ride.
Man, and you say this goes for at least 100?
This model here is 78,000
Okay.
MSRP.
There's a camera in the dash, as y'all can see right there, and it shows which light, like, so he has the right blinker on, so it shows the right blinker, and there's the left side of the car. That's pretty amazing, especially for a person like me. You know, like, I want to know what's around me 100% of the time, and I have never seen that before. Never seen that before. And it also shows that your phone is charging right there. That's pretty dope too. So right now he's driving with no hands, and y'all see that green? It's keeping him in. Keep hands on steering wheel. It just corrected him. So it's almost like a Tesla. That's pretty fly. So we're about to merge, and the steering wheel just kicked us back over. But that car, that car didn't know what they were doing. So after this test drive, I'm gonna show y'all some more features. Like, it comes with a 360 camera. As y'all already seen it, it showed how the camera goes from with your blinker light. So if you put it on your right, it shows that camera, as y'all see right there. There's a few more features I'm gonna show y'all, and that will be it for this video today. So make sure y'all stay tuned to check out more features. The link and description to where you can reach him is gonna be down below. Also the dealership and more features about this car. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do more reviews this year or coming up. So y'all stay tuned, and if there's a car that y'all want me to do a review on, please drop it in the comments down below, and stay tuned. All right, y'all, so this is one of the 360 features I was telling y'all about. This vehicle right now shows everything above us, around us, and also has the backup camera. So there's really no way that you can mess this up, you know? In the back, it's also pretty spacious. You know, my boy Ron's pretty tall, and there's still a lot of room. And just look at the custom seats and all the beautiful features it has back there. This is an awesome vehicle. So with that being said, thanks for riding with us today. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, click that post notification bell, and stay tuned, because we are going to be bringing y'all some more reviews. I'll be doing a lot of car reviews here at Hyundai. Is it Hyundai or Hyundai?
Hyundai.
Okay, at Hyundai, and you will be seeing a lot of Ron. So man, make sure y'all hit him up and stay tuned. We out.